Pressure cookers are versatile kitchen appliances that can help cooks save time and energy while preparing delicious meals. There are many products available to choose pressure cookers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best pressure cookers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Presto 01781 Pressure Canner and Cooker. The Presto 23-quart pressure canner and cooker is the only method recommended safe by the U.S. Department of Agriculture for canning vegetables, meats, poultry, and seafood. It can also be used as a large-capacity pressure cooker and boiling water canner for preserving fruits, jams, jellies, pickles, and salsa. The heavy-gauge aluminum construction ensures fast, even heating, and it works on regular and smooth top ranges. The deluxe pressure dial gauge registers the complete range of processing pressures, making precise measurement especially important at higher altitudes. The canner and cooker comes with a canning cooking rack and a 76-page instruction and recipe book, making big canning jobs easier to tackle. Number 2. Presto 01228-quart aluminum pressure cooker. The Presto 8-quart aluminum pressure cooker is a smart choice for preparing today's lower-calorie foods. It cooks 3 to 10 times faster than ordinary cooking methods, saving time, energy, and money. The pressure cooking preserves flavors and nutrients, while tenderizing lean cuts of meat. The cooker is made of strong, heavy-gauge aluminum for quick, even heating, easy cleaning, and long life. It works on electric, smooth top, and gas ranges. Number 3. Tefal Pressure Cooker Aluminum Pressure Canner. The Tefal Clipso aluminum pressure cooker reduces cooking times by up to 70% compared to conventional cooking, making it a fast and efficient kitchen tool. Its durable aluminum construction ensures even heating and long-lasting performance. The cooker features a secure locking mechanism, a steam release valve, and a gauge to monitor pressure for added safety. It also has sturdy handles for a comfortable and secure grip. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction. Number 4. Presto 01314-quart stainless steel pressure cooker. The Presto 4-quart pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that allows you to cook chicken, fish, meat, and vegetables to perfection in a fraction of the time compared to traditional cooking methods. With its pressure regulator, it automatically maintains the proper cooking pressure, ensuring consistent and delicious results. This pressure cooker is compatible with regular, smooth top, and induction ranges, making it suitable for any kitchen setup. The cover lock indicator provides added safety by preventing the cover from being opened until the pressure is safely reduced. Additionally, the special rack allows you to cook multiple foods simultaneously without mixing flavors, colors, or odors. The Presto 4-quart pressure cooker also comes with a helper handle for easy handling and is dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Number 5. Prestige Popular Aluminum Pressure Cooker. The Prestige Pressure Cooker is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance. With its anti-bulge base, it ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals every time. The precision weight valve allows you to control the pressure inside the cooker, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection. The metallic safety plug provides an added layer of safety, while the gasket release system allows for easy and convenient opening and closing of the cooker. The comfortable handles make it easy to carry and transport the cooker, adding to its overall convenience. With the Prestige Pressure Cooker, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals with ease. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.